around 7,500 pilgrims have embarked on the annual Amarnath Yatra amidst tight security. Heavy snow has forced the authorities to change the traditional Pahalgam route, but the Yatra is on from Baltal route. Mufti Islah with this special report.
First, the good news. Pilgrims going on this year's Amarnath pilgrimage will get the darshan of a 20-feet Shivlingam, a natural ice phenomenon. And now the bad news. The trek through the traditional Pahalgam route is nearly impossible because the snow is not cleared yet. And heavy snowfall has made the other option, the trek through the Baltal route, risky and dangerous.
You see, what we saw is that on the ground, particularly at Mahagunastop and Babal and the Poshpatri areas, the snow is quite deep. It is about 5 to 6 feet. Sheshnag camp area also is covered with snow, about 1 feet snow. A lot of people are working to clear the track and the Yatra area and the base camp at Sheshnag. We will be reviewing the situation on 30th of June.
The Shrine Board will flag off more than 7,000 registered pilgrims on Saturday, the first day of the Yatra. And while the Pahalgam route is a no-go, at least for the first 3 days, this is going to put immense pressure on the Baltal track, which essentially is a horse track. And that is certainly going to create a lot of mess in the area.
Shrine Board officials believe it would take at least a week and good weather to get the Pahalgam route through. The board is facing criticism for being lax in opening the traditional Pahalgam route, even though the weather had improved considerably over the past fortnight. But none of this is deterring the pilgrims.
माननी तो हो जाएगा, जब मेहनत करेंगे तो हो जाएगा. गवर्नमेंट का कोई अरेंजमेंट नहीं है यहाँ पे, कोई श्राइन बोर्ड का अरेंजमेंट नहीं, कोई हटाने या खुद लंगर वाले अपना काम आप करते हैं.
बड़ा हटा रहे हैं, यहाँ से रास्ता बना रहे हैं, रास्ता भी बनेगा, फिर आगे अपना टेंट टूंट लगाएंगे, फिर जाके लंगर तैयार होगा, फिर आगे फिर देखेंगे. क्या क्या व्यवस्था रखते हैं आप लंगर? व्यवस्था तो सारी है जी, खान पीन दी, दवाई, रहन दी, सारी व्यवस्था है.
The Amarnath Yatra through the Baltal route takes a day, but the Yatris prefer the traditional Pahalgam trek for the 14,000 feet climb, even though it takes 3 days. With Mufti Islah in Baltal, in New Delhi, Yash Jha.
Alright, and we've got Mufti Islah joining in from Srinagar on the phone line. Mufti, now Baltal is a shorter route to Amarnath, but apart from the snow blocks, there are also security concerns. Can you take us through the security arrangements that have been made to ensure that this is a peaceful yatra?
Well, yes, it's a multi-security setup that has been laid here, not only from this place, but onwards from Jammu, and in fact the BSF, the CRPF, police and army. Now army is responsible for the area domination, BSF for route clearance, CRPF and Jammu and Kashmir is ready to arrange things at the base camp as also at the cave shrine. I have some of the enthusiastic yatris with me. In fact, they started early in the morning. We were expecting 7,500 yatris to go, but it seems that more than 10,000 have so far gone. And these are all registered. They're holding their cards and extremely enthusiastic. आप बताइए कितने सालों से आप जा रहे हैं?
मैं दूसरी साल है ये मेरा, और ये प्रेरणा हमारे मोहल्ले के बड़े भाई श्री करण सिंह राजपूत ने हम लोगों को दी थी. उन्हीं की वजह से हम लोग इधर आए हुए हैं और बाबा बर्फानी के दर्शन के लिए बड़े उत्साह से आए, और हम लोगों के बीच कुछ लोग और नए जुड़े हमारे साथ ही. तो यही चाहते हैं कि हर साल सभी को अच्छे दर्शन हो बाबा बर्फानी जी के. और इस बार थोड़ी मायूसी इसलिए हुई है कि बाबा जी की यात्रा पहलगाम से चालू होती थी और तो बालटाल से हो रही है. ये थोड़ा दुख की बात है यात्रियों के लिए. और ये यात्रा में सबसे ज्यादा महत्वपूर्ण योगदान आर्मी, मीडिया.
क्या क्या कामना करेंगे आप?
हम भोलेनाथ से यही कामना करते हैं कि उनकी कृपा दृष्टि बनी रहे भोलेनाथ की, और सारे देशवासी है जो एकजुट होकर रखें और शांति.
So essentially these people are coming here and they're saying that peace and tranquility is what they will be praying for. And in fact we heard a lot of hymns that they chanted on along the way.
Alright, Mufti, thanks so much.